हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। एंड दोस्तों, सामान ट्रांसफ़र कर रहा हूँ अपना। आई एम ट्रांसफरिंग माई लगेज टू न्यू हाउस एंड आफ्टर 4 months in Canada, now I am shifting to new house and I am going to share apartment, 2 BHK apartment with my friends. I am looking so tired because एक bag I just fill this bag and just clean my room somewhat. I still have 2 more bags to transfer, but today I am going to transfer this one bag, and in this video I am going to show you that I am going to give you the tour of the apartment. I am going to give you some information of that apartment, and I am going to talk about the rent of that apartment. So this is my luggage and one bag is there, and I am moving towards my apartment room. So already मैंने 4 month कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं कनाडा में, और मैं बेसमेंट में रहता था, जैसा कि मैंने पिछले वीडियो में आपको टूर करवाई थी अपने रूम की और पूरे हाउस की, और उसके बारे में डिटेल्स दी थी। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा देन यू कैन check that link in the description box below and over here in the cue card. So stay tuned. In this video I am going to give you the tour of the 2 BHK apartment in the Regina, and I am going to discuss about the rent of that apartment in this video, friends. Hi guys, as I told you earlier that I am going to transfer in the new house today. So this is my new house apartment number 1, and this is the 2 BHK apartment. So let me give you the tour of this apartment. So as we enter over here, first we have a washroom. I will show you that later, and we have one door over here to put our shoes. And let me show you the main hall first. So yeah, this is the main hall. We just came here, so our bags are like that only. So yeah, the area is good. Basically it is not a basement because it's not down. You can see the land from the window, so we cannot say this is the basement apartment. So yeah, the lighting is good here, and it's very spacious. As you can see, this is the main room, so it's a big one. Yeah, and we have a lot of pots also over there for our cable TV and charging and everything. And let me show you the rooms. So this is the big room over here. Yeah, let me on the light so you can see it very well. Yeah, so light is also good over here. The window is over there, and this is the one big room, and we can put our stuffs over here. And this is the window. Yeah, so as I told you, we cannot say that it is a basement apartment because it's not a basement, we can say that. And yeah, it is also very spacious and good. So let me off the light. And this is the in front of this room. This is the second bedroom. It's a little smaller compared to that previous one, but the view is really good from here, the outside view. And yeah, this is basically the room, and for this we can put clothes over here, and we can also put some other extra stuffs over here, and light is also good over here. So it's a spacious, and the windows are good, so outside the lights is coming from outside is good, and it's not so dark here compared to my previous room. Yeah, but we are gonna share this room with some other persons. So yeah, and now let me show you the kitchen area. Before that, we have other door here. We can put some extra stuffs over here, like baggages and any extra stuffs that we are not going to use frequently, so we can store it over here, like it's like a little storeroom. So yeah, a good thing. And let me show you kitchen now. My friend is there. We are arranging the stuffs today because today is the first day we just came here. So yeah, we have all the basic facilities over here, and light is very good, and the area is big in the kitchen, as you can see behind me. The stoves, we have ventilation also, so it is very good. In most of the apartment here you will not find the ventilation. So yeah, because of this it's good actually that we don't have like more smells inside our house, so it's actually good. So we are having this facility over here. And yeah, we have a fridge also. Let me show you the fridge. Yeah. So yeah, we have basic stuffs, so many doors over there. We can arrange our stuff so that our area is really clean. And yeah, the house is basically a good one. And let me show you the area over here. That is, let me on the light. Yeah, the washroom section. So yeah, it's as we enter the room, yeah, here is the washroom section. So it's very clean also over here. Mirror is also there, and shower, and everything is neat and clean over here. And we have this, we can put our extra stuffs over here, towel and everything. So yeah, it's a spacious, it's a good, and it's not so dark, so it's a good area over here. And we are having this also. We can put some extra clothes over here. Light is very good, as you can see over here. So yeah, this is basically the new house for me. I'm gonna stay here with some of my friends, and we are gonna share this room. So 2 BHK is good enough for 4 people, I think 4 to 5 people. So we are gonna stay basically 4 people. We are gonna share this room. And yeah, basically over here you will not find furnished room. So we are just getting this stuffs now. If we want some furnitures or something, then we need to look for second-hand furnitures like sofa, and if we need TV, then we need to buy it, right? Compared to my previous house, I am staying in the basement room. I am getting that room furnished. I have all the facilities like table, bed, and all the other things. But over here we will get this complete empty house only. But the apartment house is really good, and I can save a few bucks. So let me tell you first thing that what are the facilities. The rent is over here, the rent is $1,000 per month, and same amount of deposit we have to pay, and we have to lease this apartment up to 1 year. Then only we will get this apartment for rent. So this is the condition. We have to stay here for 1 year, and we have already done the lease agreement. So yeah, and what are the things that are included in this apartment? So let me tell you that internet is not included, and electricity is not included. So every month internet plan and electricity bill that me and my friends are going to share with each other. Okay, so these 2 things are not included. But yeah, water bill and heating and central air conditioning and heating, that are included in the rent. So this is good actually. And yeah, laundry, we are having actually this whole apartment have 4 rooms, 4 houses. So like in this area in front of our house, there is one more house with having a 2 BHK. On top floor there are 2 more houses that are also 2 BHK. So yeah, all these floors are gonna share laundry section, but we have to pay for the laundry. The laundry is outside this room, there is a separate room for the laundry. So we have to pay over here $1 for washing the clothes and $1 for drying the clothes. So basically for one attempt you have to spend $2 for the laundry. But it's like good here, because compared to other apartments over here in the Regina, you have to pay $2 for the washing and $2 for the drying. So for every attempt you have to spend $4. But in our apartment section over here, it's $2 for every attempt. So yeah, it's good. And so this is it, all this information. I'm going to stay here now from 2 days. I think in 2 days we all are gonna shift here, me and my friends, and then we'll start a new life in this room. So I'm shifting my room also. I just shift one bag only. So yeah, in 2-3 days I'm gonna shift all my luggages, all my stuffs in this room, and I will stay here. So yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of videos from this room in the future. So hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope you like this video. If you get good information from this video, then please don't forget to like this video, and if you like watching my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to the Ram's Life channel and share this video with the friends who are coming to the Regina, Canada. So that's it for today in this video, friends. I hope to see you soon. Till then, you take care, my friends, and bye bye.